What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Cocktail of the Week, number 31. I want to do something nice and easy this week. I've actually been doing pretty easy cocktails lately, and I really want to break down these barriers of like the smoke and mirrors of how hard cocktails are. Cocktails are easy. Making cocktails are fantastically easy once you get the steps and once you get the systems and once you get the training. What is difficult about cocktail making is making the same drink exactly the same 400 times in an 8-hour shift. So this is the thing, is me showing you how to make cocktails. I hope you're making them for your friends. I hope you're going out and supporting BC Spirits. I hope that you are enjoying cocktails made with craft spirits in your home right now. But let's kick it off. This one's really simple. If you saw my sidecar recipe a couple of weeks ago, this is basically a version of it using gin. And we're going to basically use the same proportions and make a gin version sidecar. It's called the White Lady. And again, this is one of my favorites. It's a nice gin-based sour that deserves way more credit than it gets. So, shake its hand. So, going to kick it off with 1.5 ounces of the Discovery Street gin from Phillip's. Reason why I'm using this one, big citrus forward gin. It's just going to play really nicely all the way through. These bad boys, these crazy. If you haven't seen a Mainland Whisky ad on Facebook yet, you're missing out. The Mainland Whisky Triple Sec. So it's their corn whiskey infused into a triple sec. I just like the roundness, the texture of that corn base with everything. We're going to do again, if you remember the sidecar video, if you're following along at home, 1/4 ounce of house syrup. It just needs a little bit of residual sweetness there, it just helps. Sugar is not your enemy. Sugar is texture. Sugar is like that mouthfeel that you get. It is not the enemy in your cocktails. So, again, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Guys, go and spend 15-20 bucks on a juicing elbow. It's going to change your game. Ice. Shake. Chilled Coupe. Double strain. And this one we are going to garnish with a lemon peel. I want this to be citrusy, I want this to be fragrant. I'm going to keep it with lemon on this one, not the orange like I did on the sidecar. Twist. And this is like, guys, like seriously, 4 ingredients: gin, triple sec, sugar, lemon, done. 4 ingredients. I don't think I've shown you a cocktail with more 4 ingredients in the last couple of weeks. A White Lady using the Phillip's citrus gin. Any citrus gin will be fantastic, especially if it's craft. And then the triple sec from Mainland Whisky, because it's just weird and wonderful. Oh, I know summer's over, but that should be everybody's favorite summer cocktail, the White Lady. Thanks always for support, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.